In this problem, we're going to be explaining polynomial line division. In this scenario, we have two functions, fx, which is x cubed plus 7x squared minus x plus 11, being divided by dx, which is x minus 5. We have to find the polynomial qx and a constant r, which will be our remainder. The setup for polynomial line division is the same as regular line division. You have this sideways L-shaped shape, and we're going to have the dividend inside minus x plus 11, and we're going to have the divisor x minus 5 on the outside. Now, because the degree of fx is 3, and the degree of dx, which is 1, and the quotient qx will be multiplying with x minus 5 to get fx, the leading term of qx has to be x squared. Why? Because the leading term of fx is x cubed, the leading term of dx is x, and if you divide these two, the leading term of qx must be x squared, because x squared times x is x cubed. Using that, we're going to put x squared in the top, and we're going to multiply x squared times x minus 5 and subtract it from fx. So we'll get x cubed minus 5x squared, and we're going to subtract this. So we're going to get 12x squared, since 7x squared minus 5x squared is plus 5x squared, minus x plus 11. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to steal an x away from 12x squared. And if we divide 12x squared by x, we get 12x. And we're going to add that 12x into our quotient. And we're going to multiply 12x by x minus 5 and subtract it from our new polynomial. So we're going to end up with 12x squared minus 60x plus 11. We're going to be left off with 59x. Oops, there's no plus 11 here. Plus 11. We're going to do the same thing. Take an x away from 59x. Add it up here. Multiply it down. So we're going to get 59x minus 295. And we're going to result in 306 to be our remainder. You may know the remainder is r or rx, but it doesn't matter because rx is our remainder and 306 is also our remainder. So to put this in a form, we have fx equals dx, which is our divisor, times qx, which is our quotient, plus rx, which is our remainder. If we plug these values in, we get x cubed plus 7x squared minus x plus 11 is equal to the quotient, which is x squared plus 12x plus 59 times x minus 5 plus our remainder, which is 306. You can go ahead, factor this out, but in the end you will find that this statement is true.